I was born in a small country called Brunei Darussalam. Hi, I'm David, and in this video I'm going to share with you a little bit about where I'm from using the words its and its. Brunei Darussalam is often just called Brunei for short. It's located on the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. It's got a population of about 400,000 people, and its national language is called Malay. Now, let's have a look at these sentences. The first two times that I said the word its would be written like this, with an apostrophe. This is a contraction of it is or it has. The first time I used it, I was contracting it is located on the island of Borneo. The second time I used it, I was contracting it has got a population of about 400,000. Now you want to be careful when you're contracting it has into its. You can only use the contraction if you're following it with a past participle verb. In this case, it has got. For example, if I said it has 4 districts, I cannot contract the it has in this sentence into its. The third time that I use the word its is written like this. Its national language is called Malay. In this sentence, I was talking about ownership, the national language of Brunei. And so when you're talking about ownership, you write it with no apostrophe. So that's 1 minute English, and now you know how to use its and its. Oh, wait, before you go, could you please help me with something? I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.